Fox 13's Ben Winslow is live on Utah's Capitol Hill this afternoon. Ben.
Well, so far, more than 1 million doses of the COVID-19 vaccine have been administered. Now, that's a mix of first, second, and in some cases, one and only doses of the vaccine. Now, there is an estimated 2.3 million adults in the state who could be vaccine eligible.
We can see the finish line. We just need to keep running.
The state has a deadline to get as many Utahns vaccinated as possible before April 10th. A bill passed in the final days of the legislature sets that date to lift the statewide mask mandate. Governor Spencer Cox is expected to sign it after negotiating that date with lawmakers.
We're hoping to be able to have just under 900,000 shots in arms by then. At least first doses.
Lieutenant Governor DEIDRE Henderson is overseeing vaccine distribution efforts. She says the good news is we are seeing high rates of people getting the vaccine. For example, 85% of Utahns over age 70 have gotten it.
We're seeing some really good progress. What we're worried about is that as vaccine becomes available but restrictions are lifted, we're worried that people will start to feel complacent and not feel that sense of urgency to go and get their vaccine.
The lieutenant governor urges people to check and see if they qualify now for the vaccine. Right now, the state has no plans to change who's eligible until April 1st, when it opens to everyone. And after April 10th, there will still be some mask mandates in place.
Schools will still be required to wear masks, and events with 50 or more people will still be required to wear masks. In addition, counties can work with their health departments and create their own local mask mandates.
Utah's COVID-19 Unified Command says until we hit about 70% vaccination rate statewide, people still need to take precautions.
Some people are starting to relax a little bit, and so we just really encourage them. This is not the time to give up. We have to make sure that we're doing everything we can to protect people who haven't been vaccinated yet or can't get vaccinated yet.
Lieutenant Governor Henderson says they will be watching.
If our cases start surging, if things start going south, I think that at that point we can take other actions. I hope that doesn't happen. I'm very optimistic.
Now, this also depends on dose availability, and the feds are expected to increase shipments to Utah soon. Now, the state is also making plans to make sure that vaccine availability is equitable. They're reaching out to communities where there may be language or technology barriers, working to get people signed up, and in some cases, take the vaccine to them. Live on the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News.